Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to go and buy a house on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go, what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy a house on Zillow. So visit the Zillow and create an account if you of course haven't done that. Use the search bar to enter your desired location, price range, and everything of course what your preferences are. So here in the of course search bar. Then look through the listings to find a home that interests you. You can use the filters to narrow down the search. Once you find a home you like, click on the listing to view more details. You'll find the contact information for the listing agent or the seller's agent. Contact the agent, schedule a viewing of the property. This will give you a chance to see the home in person and ask any questions you may have. If you're interested in the property, work with your real estate agent to make an offer. Then before making an offer, it's a good idea to get pre-approved for a mortgage, of course. And once you've offered is accepted, work with your agent and leader to complete the purchase process. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.